So I have a background in public health. I had an MPH from UGA previously and knew I wanted to stay in healthcare, but that I was lacking some of just the different business aspects, right? I couldn't really talk about finance or strategy or some of the different elements of business. So I really wanted to open the horizon and learn a little bit more about all the gaps in my knowledge and just not be so specific and segmented on healthcare research. Not only have I been able to take a lot of the skills from class that I've definitely been challenged as someone who was never really excited about quantitative work, not a big numbers person. So I've been able to take that knowledge into my current role, which is amazing, but also just in terms of that networking piece, getting to meet different people, I've become more confident, more sure of myself, and really have been able to kind of be a better employee or worker and see what other options are there. So I think it's really invigorated me and put me on a better path. I did see some other schools and just tried to see what other options I had, and I kept kind of getting pulled back to Emory. So, you know, the reputation obviously is a key factor. Everyone will talk about that. But I did get to sit in on a strategy class and had, you know, no idea what I was getting into, and it was a really interesting case about OkCupid, and I remember thinking, okay, this is actually accessible and really interesting, and I walked away with a whole different way of attacking a problem and looking at it from a different perspective, and so that was the key element, and I went to maybe too many social events and just got to meet a lot of different people and see what they all had to say, which was kind of the common theme was how supportive, how flexible, and just how much of a kind of a tight-knit group it was, and that really made a difference for me.